Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between implicit cost and opportunity cost. Both concepts are important in economics and business decision-making because they help organizations understand the true cost of using resources and making choices. Although these terms are closely related, they differ in meaning, measurement, and application. Let's explore the major differences between them. Number 1. Implicit cost refers to the cost of using self-owned or internally generated resources in production, whereas opportunity cost refers to the value of the next best alternative that is sacrificed when a decision is made. Number 2. Implicit cost represents the value of resources used by the business itself, whereas opportunity cost represents the value of benefits foregone from an alternative option. Number 3. Implicit cost is not recorded in accounting books or financial statements, whereas opportunity cost is also not recorded but is primarily considered in economic decision-making. Number 4. Implicit cost does not involve any actual cash payment, whereas opportunity cost also does not require any cash outflow. Number 5. Implicit cost arises from the use of owned resources such as capital, property, or labor, whereas opportunity cost arises from choosing one alternative over another. Number 6. Implicit cost is directly related to resources owned by the individual or business, whereas opportunity cost is related to the available alternatives regardless of ownership. Number 7. Implicit cost focuses on the estimated value of resources used in the chosen activity, whereas opportunity cost focuses on the benefit lost from the next best alternative. Number 8. Implicit cost is measured by estimating the market value of resources used, whereas opportunity cost is measured by the value of the best alternative foregone. Number 9. Implicit cost is generally estimated using market rent, wages, or interest that could have been earned elsewhere, whereas opportunity cost is estimated using the expected returns of alternative choices. Number 10. Implicit cost evaluates the cost of resources employed in a particular decision, whereas opportunity cost evaluates the benefits sacrificed by not selecting another option. Number 11. An example of implicit cost is the salary an owner could have earned elsewhere while working in their own business, whereas an example of opportunity cost is the profit lost by not investing in another business opportunity. Number 12. Implicit cost is largely within the control of the business because it relates to owned resources, whereas opportunity cost depends on external alternatives available in the market. Number 13. Implicit cost is associated with the period during which resources are utilized, whereas opportunity cost is associated with the decision period during which alternative choices exist. Number 14. Implicit cost helps calculate the total economic cost of production, whereas opportunity cost helps identify and choose the most beneficial alternative. Number 15. Implicit cost answers the question, what is the value of using our own resources? Whereas opportunity cost answers the question, what benefit are we giving up by choosing this option? To summarize, implicit cost represents the value of self-owned resources used in production, while opportunity cost represents the value of the next best alternative sacrificed. Understanding both concepts helps managers, investors, and economists make more informed and efficient decisions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.